is my dual action 2-cylinder. It basically has it has a 90-degree overlap for its 4 power strokes that it has. So it just runs really smooth without a flywheel, much smoother than any other 2-cylinder. And it's got a very compact design. This is it compared to my Boxer. It's about the same size as the 2-cylinder Boxer, but like in practice it has 3 more power strokes, which is pretty insane. And here's it running. The problem with this engine is that the valves, since they're so big, there's no way to go around it, or at least I don't think so. Since the valves are so big, they break very easily. So if you run it without a flywheel at high RPMs, then it will pretty much just break itself apart. So yeah, it's just a problem with this engine, but at low speeds with a flywheel or high speeds with a flywheel, it works just fine. Or low speeds without a flywheel. It's a pretty good engine. Works really well.